Hello, welcome to this short video on the IBM DB2 SQL Performance Analyzer for ZOS, also known as SQL PA. This video will cover integration with the IBM DB2 Administration Tool. If the IBM DB2 Administration Tool is installed, you can integrate it with DB2 SQL Performance Analyzer by first identifying an SQL statement within a package, and then invoking SQL PA by running the macro called ANL-CSPA. In the DB2 Administration Tool, I'll access the DB2 System Catalog. I'll then specify an owner and package information. In this example, I want to find packages that match the owner criteria of TS6123. If I issue the SQ line command, I can display all the SQL statements in the package. I'll issue the line command for ANL-RAPT1. The message at the top is pertaining to the explain functionality in the DB2 Administration Tool. Since I would like to analyze a query within SQL PA, the ANL-CSPA macro allows me to selectively pick a portion of the file for analysis. I can identify the SQL statement in several different ways. If the statement is on one row, I can enter an E into the line number columns, identifying that specific row. If the query resides on several rows, I can use the letters EE to bracket the statement between a pair of bookmarkers. Otherwise, I can enter the letter E followed by a line number to identify the number of lines for the statement. Within this package, notice that the statements do not have a terminator, and there are also notes. If I explain the entire package in its current format, SQL PA will inform me that the statement is unexplainable. So I either need to bookmark the specific statement or temporarily convert the package to data by entering MD999 on the first row. I then need to start the macro ANL-CSPA by entering it onto the command line to invoke SQL PA. I will then be prompted for the SQL ID, schema, and format of the query. I need to enter 7 DB2 admin as a process language. That will in turn launch SQL PA and place you on the Query Limits report. From the Query Limits report, you can view the cost report, explain report, and other available reporting options. In this example, none of the queries within the package exceeded warning parameters. If a parameter was exceeded, you would see a Y in the column CEIQ with a $sign. This column coincides with the columns to the right: CPU time, elapsed time, physical I/O, queue units, and cost. For additional information on SQL PA, please contact your IBM ZOS specialist or Rocket Software Solution Advisor. You can also view additional videos which target use cases, what-if scenarios, access path comparisons, and the integration with other DB2 products. Thank you for watching.